Yo, yo, yo. What's good? It's been over a week now, but I'm still here. I'm still here. I didn't just vanish. I didn't quit. Ah, but I'm here. New setup. Not really new setup. I just moved my desk from this way. So I was facing this way. Now I'm facing this way. Um, but yeah, I like it. But yeah. Let's just get into the trade. I took a trade today, and I lost. And it wasn't really a well, no, it wasn't a great trade, and I'll go over everything. But yeah, I just haven't been trading because of just busy and also just conditions. But today should have been another no trade day, so there's that. But yeah, just a lot of stuff going on in my life right now. Not bad, just a lot. School, trying to finish up school, trying to graduate. Um, and trading wise, it's just like it hasn't been the best conditions for me and how I perform. So let's get into the trade coming to the day. Uh, I know everything's new setup. I'm using this. I mean, I just really started using this. Forex Factory is still cool, but we had CPI today, and then some news at 9. But yeah, coming into the day, I was leaning overall bullish out of that range from yesterday. You're going to see how market opens. Ideally, see some sell side or gap get filled in order to see a potential move higher. If you want to go higher from the jump, then look for a retrace and confirmation entry. My draw on liquidity is this 4-hour high, which is relatively close. Okay, let's start on the high time frame. So, in my eyes, I thought we were out of this like range that we were yesterday. Where's yesterday? So right here, we're in this range, and then a little after market open, we started moving nicely, but it was out my time frame where I trade. So we're just ranging. Like, what are we doing on the high time frame? Just like look at these ugly wicks, just like staying in this low range. Um, is there something I can draw? Where's that paint tool? But yeah, it's just like this range, right? And then looking at the 1 hour. Well, looking at the 1 hour from yesterday. So this is just yesterday. Look at this. Like I said. And why didn't I apply that to today? I'm not sure why. Probably because I tried to force something. But yeah, and then eventually market started moving. And then there was a nice opportunity to take that long. But coming into the day, look at this. Looking at it after the fact now, like I should have just not traded. We're just ranging right now, and this is what I saw. This is why I kind of like took it, because I thought we were coming out of this range come market open. But yeah, just looking at that from there, I should have just stayed on the 5 minute like I usually do. And just look at this price action, just not ideal. If I wanted to take a long, I should have just waited for getting a close above these data highs. We swept these highs, and then we're just ranging in this area. And then where do we finally kind of like see us out of the range, or like seeing, not even just out of a range, but like just seeing fluid price action. Just look, these are the candles I need to be a part of when we're in this type of price action. Just clean, and then to get an entry, find a little retracement on either the 5 minute or the 1 minute, and just find your entry. And the entry would have been ideal right here. This is the 5 minute retrace, and then just look for confirmation, look for displacement, and just nice volume, which is right here. Coming into this gap, and then boom, we get a break of structure, whatever you want to say. We get just nice displacement. That's your entry, and then boom. This is when you're following the market. When the trade you're in is going straight to your direction, like automatically for the most part, not like taking forever to do so. This took if a trade was taken right here, I mean TP is getting hit in less than 10 minutes, like depending on where your TP is, obviously. So I mean, look at this. We're having a clear sense of direction where we want to go, and that's the market I need to be a part of, not this. Like, what are we doing? I mean, sure. Look, this is what, like, part of the reason why, because I thought we were having volume, but I mean, it's just manipulation. This is 10 minutes in the market open, so yeah, I have to also keep that in mind. But yeah, I mean, I just took it because I thought we had a little retrace right here, and then boom, inverse. But just need to be on the 5 minute for the most part and just wait for nice price action, clean conditions. And yeah, today should have been a no trade day. Yesterday I did good because it was like similar, not good conditions, and I just stepped away. But yeah, maybe it's because it's Friday, last day of the week. I was trying to force something. But also something to keep in mind, or something to point out, is that we took this high on MNQ I should say, and then we didn't do so on NQ. We didn't take out those data highs, which doesn't happen that often, especially with the same asset comparing to a macro. I don't even know if it's considered macro, but macro and then the micro chart, we don't have that big of divergence. Obviously, it's just going to be between NQ and ES, but not like from NQ from MNQ, you know what I'm saying? So that's just something I wanted to point out. But yeah, just every day is a learning opportunity. Win, lose, or break even, no trade. Every single day, it doesn't matter. If there is a market open, it is a day to learn. So I need to just make this a learning experience, a learning opportunity. I'm paying my expense in my business. I am paying my tuition, whatever you want to say. So yeah, that's really it. I need to do better. So I'm still here, but yeah, not trying to force anything like I did today. So that's really it. Let's look at next week before we conclude the video. What's next week looking like? Okay, so whatever, nothing crazy, but God bless always.